Welcome to the Resin Editor demonstration video. To upload a schema matching results for visualization, first you click on the menu button, then click on the add button. Then the upload panel will show up, then upload the corresponding files for visualization. You can find the demonstration file in the GitHub page under the folder demonstration files. Due to the result graph contain the schema matching result of the event extraction graph and the schema graph, so we use yellow to depict the source only node, blue for the predicted node, and red for the matched node. The events are connected by relation, and in the graph there are three kinds of relations. Hierarchical relations, where the parent-child relations between the events are visualized by arranging them in the vertical axis. The parent events show above the children events. The primitive events are leaf node in the graph and displayed in circular nodes, where the parents events are displayed in the diamond-shaped nodes. The temporal event, which is shown by the gray edge from left to right, denote that the edge on the left happens before the events on the right. The logical relation, which is shown by the digital logical gates of OR, SOR, and along with all the possible events outcomes from the graph. For each of the nodes, you can add a new event outcome at the subnode by right-click into the parent node and click Add. For instance, over here I add a new node called Incubation into the illness event group. After that, we can say that the incubation happens before the symptom event. Then we can drag from the end of the incubation to the beginning of the symptom to establish the temporal relation. In the same manner, if you see the temporal event is not correct, you can delete the edge, or you can change the edge ends to the suitable event. You can also group multiple events by click on Shift, and after that, drag to cover all the events. And then you right-click and click on the Group button to group all those events into a chapter event. If you click into any event, the event information panel will show up. In the panel, there are the name of the event, description of the event, and the type of the event extracted from the Wikidata. At the bottom, there is an argument table to store all the related information, such as location, agents, and theme of the event. To show all the provenance extracted from the source document for the event, simply click on Show Source button. To see the whole context paragraph of the provenance, click on the paragraph button in the middle. If you want to change the text band, simply click on the edit button and drag to reselect the new text band. If you click on the last button, it will bring you to the source document. Similarly, for image provenance, you can reselect the bounding trigger by drag and expand the bounding box to fit with the object you want to present for the provenance. For the participant table, there are column row on the left and the entities belong to that row are on the right column. You can click on the entity to view its provenance. To edit the table, you simply click on Edit Table button. You can reorganize the rank of the importance of the row by clicking on the up and down button. You can edit the entities related to each row by clicking on the Edit button. And after that, you choose the entity from the drop-down list to add. After you edit, you can save the change by clicking on the Edit button once again. To view the global entity list, you click on the main menu button and then click on the list icon. By clicking on the entity toggle button, you highlight all of the events related to that entity. If users want to target all the low confidence events gotten from the schema matching results, they can scroll the confidence bar to get all the events in the desired range. Lastly, to save the edited schema file, you click on the menu button, then Save button. After that, choose the schema format and click Download.